Good morning, everyone. Now I am going to design a ring with having a 45-degree winglet. First, you save this file as we name it as 2 into save it. Then uh, open this origin and use shift S for opening a spline of V2 2.0. In this, select a construction plan. We will designing a by XY plane. Okay, take a construction layer as front view. Then this having airfoil chord length having a 5976. Okay, first we have to save this airfoil data. Take this one. Okay, now we have to join these two heading points. Okay, completed. Next, we have to sketch this airfoil. Open create a sketch. Okay, it taken sketch, finish sketch. Now again do same, create sketch, take top view, rotate by clicking this. Okay, now take a line by horizontal draw 14980. Enter. Then drag this up to here, dimension. Then go to line from here to by this is imaginary. Take to origin. Then enter a tab for changing the toolbox, uh, shifting to angle. Type this as 115. Hmm. Click here. Then from here enter 1600. Okay, enter. Then enter a line dimension 4392.7. Enter. Then again click a line. Remove this line. This also. Enter a dimension 4392.7. Enter. Then join this line. Remove this line. This is our top view of wing. Then also draw the corridor line. Now we have to draw winglet. Go to construct and plane at angle. Click here. Put the angle is 45 degree. Okay. Then right click, create sketch. Use a project command. Okay, then of this, now draw a vertical line of dimension 2106.3. You enter, then drag this dimension up to here, then draw a imaginary line for making an angle. Of angle, enter a tab, then of angle 134.3, enter tab for shifting dimension, and click on this dimension line. Then from here to horizontal line as 435, enter, and again take a line, join this point. Okay. Now delete this line and also this line. Go to home, finish sketch, open this. This is our view of design. From here we have to draw a line. Okay, go to create, H, use top view. Okay, rotate this, and then use Control L for line. From here to here, use a dimension 3927.563. Okay, enter. Here, finish the sketch. Use Shift S, opening a file. Use this on origin, then in here. Okay, on this file data, also origin. Join these 2 points. Okay, select this. Next, move. One origin point is selected. You select this point, tangent. Okay, for getting repeat, use Control Z. Okay, now I'll repeat the same. Select this, move, select an origin point, use tangent point. Select here, you. Okay, then okay. And same as here, up to wingtip. We have to shift an airfoil of up to wingtip. Okay, same repeat. Shift S for opening a file. Take a plane of origin, open origin, same as front view. Okay, chord length as 1600. Okay, open. Join these 2 points. Okay, close origin. Select, move, select our origin point. Tangent point is this. Okay, and again same. Shift S, open a file, construction places. Now take the top view. Chord length is 435. Open. Join the leading 2 points of the origin. Select this move tangent point. This one. Maybe something happened wrong. Do shift S. Open origin. Take top view of 435. Enter. Open. Again, this is opened. Delete this. Again, repeat this. Shift using shift S. Construction plane of top view. Give the chord length as 435. Okay. Then use the file. Open. Join these 2 points. Okay. Then of the origin, select this. Go to move. Then tangent point is this. Okay. New. Okay. Then open this file. Okay. Now just we have to use a command of loft or select this airfoil and to here. Okay. Next again same. Use a command of loft. Rotate this by orbit. Q escape button ESC for leaving the command. Okay. Now 2 steps completed. Okay. Then again same. Use loft. Rotate by this orbit. Q escape. Select the small airfoil. Okay. Okay. Next turn of this ice. Okay. See your wing with a 45-degree winglet design. Rotate this for view. All the views. See. This is our wing with a 45-degree winglet design. Okay, thank you.